Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset your Razer Basilisk mouse. It's super simple. So what you want to do, you want to unplug it from the computer and then hold down the left click, the right click and the mouse wheel for 7 seconds. So you're going to press the left, right and the middle together for 7 seconds. You're going to press and hold, hold for 7 seconds. And this is how you're going to reset it. That's it. Super simple. Just want to make it like quick and effective for you. So you're gonna have left, right click, and the middle one. Press and hold it 7 seconds, and it's done. Super perfect. So let me down in the comments if it actually helped you to actually reset it. What you can also then try to do is try to also have it plugged and then try it again. But based on the information available, it's about left, right, and the middle one when it's going to be unplugged. And that's it. So have a great day and goodbye.